Welcome to River Sky by Boza. This building is in the heart of New Westminster, where you can walk to the SkyTrain, to shopping, to the theaters, restaurants, coffee shops. Everything is at your fingertips. Building has 3 elevators, lots of visitor parking, great gym, amenity and meeting room, bike room, and a friendly concierge. Also, pets and rentals are welcome. This meticulous bright 1-bedroom unit has laminate floors throughout, big windows for natural light, covered balcony which faces a quiet courtyard setting. Kitchen features quartz countertops, gas stove, built-in fridge and dishwasher, and a functional slide-out dining room table that can extend anywhere from 4 to even 8 family members. The spacious living room has a built-in shelving unit, a sliding TV mount, and a single Murphy bed for a guest. I'm Deanna Kleina with West Coast Lifestyle Group, and if you guys want more information on this beautiful unit, please call me directly at 604-789-8202.